You're not broken, you're just overthinking. Your brain is moving faster than your actions, and you're caught in a loop. But what if I told you that loop can be broken in 24 hours? No therapy, no spiritual retreat, just a simple male brain rewire built for clarity, power, and decisiveness. This is for the man who wants peace without softness, confidence without faking it, and control without chaos. This is the Sovereign Doctrine. We don't do fluff. We break down systems for self-mastery, masculine power, and sovereignty. And today, we're killing the habit of overthinking with science, strategy, and a 24-hour shift that actually works. Overthinking is a survival mechanism gone rogue. Your brain evolved to solve problems, but now it's solving fake problems. Imagined scenarios, phantom risks, things that never happen. It's paralysis disguised as planning. And in 2025, with dopamine overload, constant distraction, and decision fatigue, overthinking has become the modern man's prison. But here's the truth. Overthinking isn't a character flaw. It's a habit. And habits can be broken. The Rewire. Step 1. Externalize the loop. Your mind is racing because it has no outlet. So we externalize. That means you brain dump every racing thought onto paper or a notes app. Unfiltered, unedited. You aren't solving anything, you're extracting it. You'll be shocked at how quickly the noise drops when your brain no longer feels the need to retain it. This one habit clears 70% of the clutter within minutes. Step 2. Create a non-negotiable action bias. Call, send, publish, start. Doesn't matter if it's messy. Action crushes analysis. This one mental switch shifts you from passive consumer to active producer. It's masculine energy in motion. Step 3. Build a 3-decision day. Limit your decisions to 3 core ones each day: what you eat, what you wear, and what you create. Everything else is systemized or automated. Decision fatigue is the fuel of overthinking. When you cut the clutter, your brain stops scanning for threats. Step 4. Control your input. You can't stop overthinking if your brain is bombarded. No more 100 scroll TikTok sessions. No more 20 tab browsers. Give your brain silence. Give it single tasking. For one day, mute the chaos. Use ambient music, read a book, walk without a phone. Input dictates output. You want a calm mind? Feed it calm. Step 5. Ritualize physical grounding. Men are physical creatures. You can't think your way out of overthinking. You must move. Push-ups, a cold shower, walking barefoot, standing in sunlight. These aren't gimmicks. They're nervous system resets. When you connect to your body, your brain comes back online. Cleaner, sharper, focused. Final layer. Reclaim time blocks. Take back control of your day with fixed time blocks. 90 minutes of deep focus, 30 minutes of creative play, 60 minutes of training. You're not just killing overthinking. You're building a fortress of intention. And intention is where peace and power meet. Overthinking doesn't end with another thought. It ends with structure, action, and discipline. This isn't a trick. It's a mental recalibration built for men who want their edge back. If you want more brain rewires, masculine systems, and sovereign tactics, subscribe now. This is the Sovereign Doctrine, where clarity isn't found, it's forged.